Exercise 3.1. So here, question number 1. You have to find the radian measure of the given corresponding degree measure. Number 1 is there. So here, degree measures are given and you have to find the corresponding radian measure. Find the radian measure of the given corresponding degree measure. So first question, 25 degrees there. You have to convert this degree into radian measure. Done? So हमने एग्जांपल्स किए थे उसी फॉर्मेट में जाना है. So we are having one formula 180 डिग्री इक्वल टू पाई रेडियन. जो भी यूनिट निकालना है उसको आपको राइट हैंड साइड में रखना है. यहाँ पर रेडियन में निकालना है. सो वी आर टेकिंग दिस वन एज ए 180 डिग्री इक्वल टू पाई रेडियन. डन. So from this we can write 1 degree is nothing but the pi by 180 radian. 1 degree is nothing but the pi by 180 radian. So we require 25 degree. So you have to multiply 25 on both sides. So we are getting 25 degree equal to pi upon 180 into 25 रेडियन. इन शॉर्ट, अगर आपको डिग्री से रेडियन में जाना है तो आपको वो डिग्री को पाई अपॉन 180 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज योर शॉर्टकट, है ना. ये सब स्टेप्स नहीं लिखने हैं तो अभी से आप डायरेक्ट ये कर सकते हो. डिग्री टू रेडियन मल्टीप्लाई डिग्री मेजरमेंट विथ पाई बाय 180, इट विल कन्वर्टेड इनटू रेडियन. सो नाउ कटिंग 5 5 जा 5 36 जा. So our final answer 25 degree is nothing but the 5 pi upon 36 radian. Answer number 1. Now question number 2. Here we are given degree as a minus 47 degree 30 minutes. Minus means it's just represent the direction, clockwise direction. So we'll first consider only plus sign and then at the last we are putting our minus sign. So first here you have to convert our degree into radian, but this degree with the minute is there. So first we have to convert this minute into degree. Now first conversion is to convert this minute into degree. So we know that 60 minute is nothing but the 1 degree. So what is 1 minute? 1 minute is nothing but the 1 by 60 degree, but we require 30 minute. So 30 minute equal to 1 by 60 into 30 degree. So it is nothing but the 1 by 2 degree. 30 minute is nothing but the 1 by 2 degree. So now this 47 degree 30 minute is written as, consider only positive sign. So this one as 47 minute 30 degree on a 47 degree and 30 minute, which is nothing but the 1 by 2 degree. So which is 47 plus 1 by 2 degree. 47 plus 1 by 2 degree. So 47 plus 1 by 2 degree is nothing but the 95 by 2 degree. Done. 95 by 2 degree. So 95 by 2 degree, that is our entire degree, है ना. अभी तो सिर्फ हमने मिनट को डिग्री में कन्वर्ट किया. Question is that is equal to how many radian. So to convert this degree into radian, what you have to do? Multiply it by pi by 80. So it's a 95 by 2 degree. So multiply by 1 pi upon 180. So that is now converted into radian, है ना. शॉर्टकट में यहाँ बोला ना आपको ऐसे कन्वर्ट करके 180 को पाई और 1 डिग्री को पाई बाई 80. तो 25 को कन्वर्ट करना है तो अल्टीमेटली आप क्या कर रहे हो? मल्टीप्लाई बाय पाई बाई 180 कर रहे हो. So here you have to convert this 95 by 2 degree into radian. So you have to multiply this 95 by 2 with pi by 180. So it is now converted into radian. डन, सिंप्लीफाई होगा। सो 5 से होगा, 5 1 जा 5, 5 9 जा here 36. So this is equal to 19 pi, 19 pi by 72 radian. Done. So this is nothing but the 47, but we have to consider minus sign. So now our minus 47 degree 30 minute is nothing but the minus 19 pi by 72 radian. Third one, 240 degree. Simple, 240 degree converting into radian. So it's a multiply by pi upon 180. So this is now our radian. Cutting 6 4 ja, 6 3 ja. So it's a 4 pi by 3 radian. 240 degree is nothing but the 4 pi by 3 radian. Fourth one, 520 degree converting into radian. So multiply it with मल्टीप्लाई करके हो गया हमारा रेडियन. सो कटिंग अगेन 2 से होगा 9 and 26. So that is nothing but the 26 pi upon 9. तो देखो हमारे पास क्या था, 11/16 था. So it's 11/16 रेडियन इक्वल टू 11/16 रेडियन. उसको डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना है तो करेंगे 180 बाई पाई से मल्टीप्लाई करके. डन. तो ये हो गया हमारा डिग्री. अगेन ये पाई की वैल्यू को रिप्लेस करनी पड़ेगी. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 11/16 इंटू 180. पाई इज 22/7. करो कटिंग. कटिंग अभी यहाँ पर समझ में आएगा कहाँ पर मिस्टेक की थी. ये 2 8 जा, ये 2 19 जा, 2 4 जा, 2 45 जा, हाँ ये 11 2 जा 44. अगेन रेडी. चलो 4 2 जा 8 और ये 45 इंटू 7. 45 इंटू 7 क्या होगा, 7 5 जा 35, 7 4 जा 28, 315. सो दिस इज अवर 315 और ये हो गया हमारा डिग्री. लेकिन डिग्री को हमें सेकंड मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना है, इसको फ्रैक्शन में कभी नहीं रखना है. सो दिस विल बी 315 डिवाइड बाय 8. सो 8 3 जा 24, 8 3 जा 24, 6 and 7, 8 9 जा 72. This is 3. So this is nothing but the 39 degree plus 3/8 फ्रैक्शन है ना. 3/8 फ्रैक्शन में डिग्री आई. तो फ्रैक्शन को भी हमें कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा मिनट में. तो कैसे करेंगे, कल देखा था. 39 डिग्री प्लस इसको मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना है तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 60 से, क्योंकि 1 ऐसा है ना, 1 डिग्री इक्वल टू 60 मिनट. सो हियर 3/8 डिग्री दैट इज इक्वल टू 3/8 इंटू 60 करना पड़ेगा. सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60. तो दैट इज नाउ अवर मिनट. डन. नाउ सिंप्लीफाइड. 4 से होगा 4 2 जा 4 15 जा. सो अगेन दिस इज 39 मिनट प्लस दिस इज 45/2, 45/2 मिनट. मिनट अगर फ्रैक्शन में आ गई फिर से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. तो दैट इज 45/2, 45/2. सो 222 जा 44 upon 1. So that is 20 integer 1/2. So that is 39 minute plus that is nothing but the 22 minute plus 1/2, 1/2 है ना. तो अगेन 1/2 फ्रैक्शन में है तो ये होगा 39 मिनट प्लस सॉरी 39 डिग्री प्लस 22 मिनट. और ये 1/2 मिनट को अगेन सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय सेकंड. डन. क्योंकि क्या होता है 1 मिनट इक्वल टू 60 सेकेंड होता है. तो मिनट को सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये हो गया 30 सेकेंड्स. सो फाइनल आंसर इज 39 डिग्री प्लस साइन नहीं लिखेंगे, 22 मिनट और ये हो गया हमारा 30 सेकेंड्स। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? तो यहाँ पर क्या कुछ गलती की थी नहीं सोचना है, छोड़ो, दिस इज आवर आंसर। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। फोर्थ सम, सॉरी सेकंड सम, वी आर गिवन -4, है ना, -4 इज गिवन। सो अगेन माइनस साइन इंडिकेट्स द क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, सो साइन को हम लास्ट में कंसिडर करेंगे। सो हियर वी आर गिवन -4 radian, we have to convert this radian into degree, so you have to find the equivalent degree measurement। तो क्या होगा, डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना है तो, और पाई रेडियन इज नथिंग बट दी 180 डिग्री, so 1 radian is nothing but the 180 by pi, so -4 radian, or we can say now 4 radian, na, plus sign, so 4 radian is nothing but the 4 into 180 by pi डिग्री। रेडियन को डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना है तो मल्टीप्लाई करो 180 बाई पाई से, तो ये डिग्री हो गया। उसके बाद रेडियन में, सॉरी डिग्री में हमें पाई की वैल्यू को उसकी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू से रिप्लेस करना है, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू 180 डिवाइड बाई 22, और ये 7 ऊपर डिग्री, कटिंग होगा, दिस इज 11 और ये 2, 14 इंटू 18 180, 180 इंटू 14 करो तो क्या होगा, 0 0 8 1 72 72 0, this is 0252 2520, so this is nothing but the 2520 divided by 11 डिग्री, है ना। लेकिन डिग्री हमें फ्रैक्शन में नहीं चाहिए, है ना, फ्रैक्शन को कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा डिवीजन, तो इट्स 2520 डिवाइड बाई 11, so 11 2 जा 22 3 2, 11 2 जा 22, ये 10 और ये 0 नीचे आएगा, सो होगा 11 9 जा 99, ये 1, so this is now 229 1 इंटीजर, सॉरी 1 अपॉन 11 डिग्री। so अभी हमारे पास हो गया 229 डिग्री प्लस 1/11 मिनट, तो 1/11 मिनट को अगेन क्या करना पड़ेगा, 1/11 डिग्री उसको मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60 दिस मच अमाउंट ऑफ मिनट, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 229 डिग्री प्लस अगेन 60/11, 60/11 करो, 11 5 जा 55, 5 रिमाइंडर, so these minutes are nothing but the 5 minute plus 5/11, अगेन ये मिनट फ्रैक्शन में है, इसको हम ऐसे लिखेंगे 229 डिग्री प्लस दिस इज आवर 5 मिनट प्लस, now this 5/11 minute is converted into seconds by multiplying by 60, डन। तो ये क्या होगा, 6 5 जा 30, 300/11, so this is now, so this is equal to 229 degree plus 5 minute plus 300/11 seconds, अगेन सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन में डिवीजन करना पड़ेगा, so it's a 300/11, 11 2 जा 22, 8 0, 11 7 जा 77 3, so now these seconds are 229 degree plus 5 minute plus second is 27 integer 3/11 फ्रैक्शन, ये हो गया, सो दिस इज अवर आंसर 229 डिग्री 5 मिनट, एंड दिस वन इज, आप इसको 27 सेकेंड्स भी लिखो या फिर इसे फ्रैक्शन में भी छोड़ दो तो भी चलेगा, सो इट्स 27 इंटीजर 3/11 सेकेंड्स, है ना, इसके आगे अभी आप अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू लिख सकते हो, सो दिस इज योर आंसर, डन। सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सोल्व योर क्वेश्चन, बट ये माइनस में था, हाँ माइनस में था ना, तो लास्ट में आपको इसके आगे माइनस करके आंसर लिखना है, सो -4 रेडियन इक्वल टू 229 degree, 5 minute, 27 integer 3 by 11 seconds. दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर. माइनस में आंसर लिखना है क्योंकि माइनस था. नाउ थर्ड वन. थर्ड क्वेश्चन वी आर गिवन 5 pi by 3 रेडियन. सिंपल. 5 pi by 3 रेडियन को डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना है तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 180 बाय पाई करना है. ये हो गया हमारा डिग्री. सिंप्लीफाई करो. पाई से पाई कट. 3 6 जा 18, 60, 6 5 जा 300. So this answer is 300 degree. Fourth sum. We are given that 7 pi by 8 radian is given. We require degree measurement. So for degree measurement, 7 pi by 8, you have to multiply it with 180 by pi. So this is your degree. Pi से pi cut. 7 pi by 6 है. Okay. 7 pi by 6. So 6 30 जा 7 3 जा 21 and 0. So it's a 210 degree. Clear, students? So this is how you can convert your units of angle measurement from degree to radian and radian to degree. Now next question is question number 3. So read the question properly. Question number 3. So for third question, we are given that a wheel makes 360 revolutions in a 1 minute. Wheel. So this is our circular wheel. Now this wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Revolution मतलब यहाँ पर suppose एक point consider कर दो. So this point will cover this much amount of distance in. That means if we cover this much amount of distance, this is known as one revolution. जहाँ से start किया वहाँ से wheel वापिस आएगा. So that is one revolution. So our wheel is making 360 number of revolution in 1 minute. टाइम कितना लेना है आपको? 1 मिनट तक टाइम कंसिडर करना है. उतने टाइम में ये कितने बार इससे रोटेट होगा? 360 टाइम. Right? That is given. So through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? So you have to find the radian. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? है ना. हमें पता है एक रिवोल्यूशन जैसे कंप्लीट करेगा तो कितना जो रेडियन है वो कवर होगा. 1 रिवोल्यूशन इक्वल टू 2 पाई रेडियन डिराइव किया था हमने. Right? So 1 revolution. Here we can say 1 revolution. 1 revolution equal to 360 डिग्री होता है. वो रेडियन कितना होता है? 2 पाई रेडियन. So 1 revolution equal to 2 pi radian. Now our tire is making 360 revolutions in 1 minute. In 1 minute, tire is making 360 revolutions. 1 मिनट का टाइम है उसमें 360 ऐसे चक्कर लगाता है. You have to find the how many radians does it turn in 1 second. Time is given in a minute. You have to find the radian in 1 second. So first we are converting this minute into second. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So in 60 seconds, tire is making 360 revolution. And we are given that tire is revolving about 360 revolutions in 1 minute. So we can say in 60 seconds, it takes 360 revolution. So now from this unitary method, we can say that in 1 second, tire will make 360 by 60. So that is 6 revolution only. 360 by 6. So it's a 6 revolution. Tire will make 6 revolutions in 1 second. 6 revolutions in 1 second. You have to find the radian measure. So now we can say that 1 revolution will complete 2 pi radian. 1 revolution will cover 2 pi radian of angle. Here our tire is making 6 revolutions in 1 second. So if it covers 6 revolutions, then our tire will make 6 into 2 pi, 6 into 2 pi radian. That is equal to 2 pi, 12 pi. 6 to the 12 pi radian in 6 revolutions. Done. That 6 revolutions in a 1 second. So this is our answer. Tire will make 12 pi of radians in 1 second. Clear, students? Your answer is 12 pi radian. Question number 4. So here you have to find the degree measure of the angle subtended by at the center of circle of radius 100 centimeter by the arc of length 22 centimeter. Degree measure find करना. Degree measure of angle subtended by the, हमने एक ऐसा स्टडी किया था. Suppose this is one circle with radius r, and this is the angle in a radian, and the angle in radian, that is angle subtended by the arc of length l, and that is the arc of circle with radius r. Done. So formula is central angle, इसको बोलते हैं central angle, which is in radian. Central angle in radian is equal to L by R. This is our formula. Angle subtended by an arc of length L of a circle of radius R is nothing but the theta radian. This is in the radian measurement. That angle is in radian measurement. In our question, you have to find the degree measurement of this angle. So first you have to find the radian measure, and then you have to convert this radian measure into the degree measure. Clear? So now here we are given that at the center of radius r 100, we are given r equal to 100. Radius of circle is 100 centimeter. Of 100 centimeter by the arc of length 22 centimeter. Length of arc is 22 centimeter, and you have to take value of pi 22 by 7 whenever it is necessary. Done. So theta radian equal to L upon R. So our L is 22, our R is 100. So this 22 by 100 is nothing but the radian measurement. Cutting करो तो होगा 11 by 50 radian. You have to find the angle subtended by this uh, arc of length L at the center in degree measurement. In short, you have to convert this radian into degree. So now, to convert this radian into degree, what you have to do? You have to multiply it with 180 by pi. So it's 11 by 50. This is radian. Now to convert into degree, you have to multiply that radian measure with 180 by pi. So now it is converted into degree. Simplify it. 0 0 cut, 11 11 cut, 18 by 5 है ना. ये पाई है, 11 नहीं है, सॉरी. वैल्यू पुट करनी पड़ेगी 11 अपॉन 50 इंटू 180, और ये पाई है, सो इट्स 22 इंटू 7 8 डिग्री. अभी कट करो. 11 टू जा, ये कट, और ये होगा 2 9 जा, अभी कुछ बचा, 9 7 जा 63 अपॉन 5. सो दिस इज अवर 63 बाई 5, और ये डिग्री. अगेन फ्रैक्शन में डिग्री आ गई, डिवीजन करना पड़ेगा. क्या होगा डिवीजन? 63 बाई 5, 12 5 जा 60, 12 5 जा 60, और ये 3, ये हो गया हमारा 12 12 डिग्री प्लस 3 बाई 5 फ्रैक्शन में डिग्री, तो उसको मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो टू कन्वर्ट इन मिनट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट विथ 60. सो दैट इज अवर 12 डिग्री प्लस 3 बाई 5 मिनट्स, और इसको 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो ये मिनट में होगा. 12 5 जा, 12 3 जा 36. So therefore our answer is 12 degree 36 minute. Done. So angle subtended by that arc of a length at the center is 12 degree 36 minute. 12 degree 36 minute. Clear? Next question, question number 5. Now question number 5. A circle of diameter 40 centimeter. Circle is given. A circle is given whose diameter is 40 centimeter. So we can say its radius are 20 and 20 centimeter, and the length of chord is 20 centimeter. So one chord is given. So this is one chord. So this is another radius. This is one chord which is also 20. Diameter 40, so its radius is 20. One length of chord is given which is 20. So if we consider this triangle, suppose this is O, A and B. So all three sides are equal. So OAB is equilateral triangle. So you have to find the length of minor arc of the chord length. You have to find the length of this minor arc of this chord. Length of arc corresponding to the chord AB. Clear? So according to our data, we can say that triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. Here triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. So all angles are equal. So here we can say this is the center angle, that is our theta, so which is in radius. So central angle will be of 60 degree, है ना? डिग्री में पता है. So 60 degree is nothing but the radian. कितना रेडियन होगा? इसको हमें रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय पाई डिवाइड बाय 180. पाई बाय 3 होगा. सो सेंट्रल एंगल इज नथिंग बट दी पाई बाय 3 रेडियन, है ना? 60 डिग्री विच इज नथिंग बट दी पाई बाय 3 रेडियन. दैट इज अवर सेंट्रल एंगल. लेंथ ऑफ रेडियस r which is 20 centimeter. You have to find the length of the arc L find करना है. So formula theta in radian equal to L by r. That is formula theta in radian which is pi by 3. Pi by 3 L find करना है वो r is 20. So length of arc of this given circle is 20 pi by 3 centimeter is the answer. Clear? Diameter is given which is 40 centimeters, so radius is 20. So we are considering two radius or radii OA and OB, and length of chord is given. So chord and two radius. So this is one triangle. All three sides are equal, so it's an equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, measure of all the angles are equal, and that is equal to 60 degree hoga, degree. But in case of our circle, we require the measure in radian. So we are converting this 60 degree into radian. So corresponding value of this 60 radian is pi by 3 radian. Pi by 3 radian. So formula central angle theta equal to L upon r. You have to find the length of the chord L. R is given. R is radius 20 centimeter. Theta that you have derived. Simplify it, you get the value of L. This is the length of the arc corresponding to the chord AB. Done. Now question number 6. This question number 6 is similar to our example number 5. So you have to solve that example 5 also. So now question number 6, we are given that two circles arc of the same length. Two circles are given. Two circles arc of the same length sustain the angle 60 degree and 75 degree. दो circle well, arc of length is given. Suppose this is radius r1 and this is one another circle whose radius is r2. You have to consider the arc of same length. So suppose this is arc of length L and this is again arc of length L. This arc sustained angle suppose theta 1 and this arc sustained the angle at center, that is suppose theta 2. So two arcs sustain the angles 60 degree and 75 degree. Degree we require in radian. So this is 60 degree and this is theta 2 which is also in degree, which is 75 degree. Length of the both the arcs are equal and the length of the arc equal and they sustain. So here length of chord are equal and the radius of the given circles are different. So you have to find the ratio of ratio of their radii. So now first you have to convert these angles into radian. So theta 1 radian will be nothing but the 60 into pi by 180. So theta 1 radian is nothing but the pi by 3. That is our pi by 3. Similarly here theta 2 radian will be 75 into pi upon 180 radian. 15 5 15 is 536 3 5 is 36 again 3 5 is 312 so theta 2 radian is 5 pi upon 12 radian. 5 pi upon 12 radian. Done. So now formula here we can say that it is theta 1 radian equal to L upon R1 and it is theta 2 radian L upon R2. Put these values. Pi by 3 equal to L upon R1. This is 5 pi by 12 equal to L upon R2. So here we can write value of L, which is nothing but the pi R1 by 3, and here the value of L is nothing but the 5 pi R2 upon 12. Done. So both the values of L are equal, so we can compare it here. So both values of L are equal, so we can write pi R1 upon 3 equal to 5 pi R2 upon 12. So what is the ratio of R1 by R2? So here R1 by R2 is nothing but the 5 pi by 12 into 3 upon pi. Pi से pi cut, 3 4 is 12. So it's a 5 upon 4. Done. So our answer is the ratio of the radii R1 ratio R2 is nothing but the 5 ratio 4. Clear students? That you have to find. Now question number 7. The last question of this exercise. Question number 7. So here question number 7. Read the question. Find the angle in radian. You have to find the angle in radian through which. First question. Find the angle in radian through which the pendulum swings if length is 75 centimeter. Length of pendulum. The length of pendulum is nothing but the radius of our circle. So that is our 75 centimeter, and the tip of pendulum describe and the arc of length. So here arc of length for different cases are given. First case we are given L equal to 10 centimeter. है ना. Suppose this is one pendulum. ऐसे ड्रॉ करें, ये पेंडुलम ऐसे मूव करेगा. So this is the length of pendulum. So this is pendulum is nothing but the radius r. Here length of arc L is there. So central angle, यहाँ पर एक फॉर्म एंगल फॉर्म होगा, that is our central angle in radian, that is equal to L upon r. So here first case L is 10 centimeter and r is 75 centimeter. So this is nothing but the 5 2s are 5 15s are. So our answer is 2 upon 15 radian. Second case, if the length of arc is 15 centimeter, then find the central angle. Central angle theta, which is equal to L upon r, which is equal to 15 upon 75. So that is equal to 1 upon 5. That is again in radian. Third case, suppose L equal to 21 centimeter. So here again central angle theta c equal to L upon r, which is again 21 upon 75. 3 7s are and 3 25s are. So it's a 7 upon 25 radian. Clear students? So this is how you can solve your question number